Video showing a few techniques that can be used to learn any language with ChatGPT. For this video, I'm using Spanish, but the same can be done for Italian, French, Japanese, or any other language. The techniques are easy enough for anyone from 8 to 80 to use. For those that don't have an account with ChatGPT, you can go to chatgpt.com and set up an account completely free. It only takes about a minute. ChatGPT works is that basically you write a prompt, and a prompt just basically explains what information you'd like for ChatGPT to give you. The more detailed you are, the more detailed information you'll get. So let's start out with the prompt. Let's say, how can I practice Spanish fluently, focusing on everyday places and vocabulary? Now you gotta wait for a minute while it gets the information together. And let's see what it came up with. Now we were pretty vague in what we told it, so it's going to give us a vague answer. Let's try being a little bit more focused in on what we tell it. Let's ask it to provide me with common Spanish phrases for colors and common greetings. And here's what it came up with. Comes up with the list of 10 different colors in the Spanish and English words, and a list of 8 different greetings. You could even be more specific than that if you wanted a certain amount, certain number of greetings, a certain number of colors, or certain types of greetings. You can be as specific as you want or as vague as you want. Now let's one thing that's kind of crucial is conjugating verbs. So one thing we could ask it is, can you conjugate the verbs to be and I am? With the Spanish translation? And here's what it comes up with. Comes up with all the conjugations of to be. Another thing we can ask it is make some simple sentences with yo soy, which is the conjugation of I am, and let's see what it comes out with. Now those are good, but I think we probably want something a little bit more complex. So we just asked ChatGPT, make the sentences more complex by adding a time and place. Now, here's the thing with ChatGPT. If you're not specific, you might not get the information that you were looking for. So it didn't give us the Spanish translations. All we got to do is go back and ask it, show me the Spanish translations for the complex sentence structures. These are just a few examples of some of the things you can use ChatGPT for when learning a language. Um, I am giving away a free book. In the link will be in the description if you'd like to learn more about using ChatGPT to learn a language. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to get ChatGPT to give you a quiz. Now, the prompt I'm going to say is give me a quiz on my Spanish greetings, make it multiple choice with 4 choices for each question. Make the quiz 10 questions long. Now you can see ChatGPT came up with a nice little quiz. And you can basically tell it whatever you want. You can ask for 100 question quiz, whatever you want. It's all up to you. Check out my book in the description. You can download my book absolutely free. Just go to bit.ly/chatgpt, learn a language. The link's in the description. Thank you for watching this video to the end. And go ahead and like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.